My brother owns a garden store and he gets a lot of free samples. He usually gives me all the stuff that he doesn't want. This morning he texted me that he left me something, so I thought we'd open it together. I actually have not opened this box yet, so it's gonna be a surprise what's in here. Okay. Blue raspberry, sour blue raspberry. Okay, that should last me a while. Oh. There's 3 disposables in here. Let's see. The first one is cherry slushy. Ooh. The second one is bubblegum. Third one is blackberry kush. Nice little haul. Thanks, bro. If you're still here, by the way, look at these lighters I just made.